Hey, welcome to another episode of Blue Line Garage. Now, you remember from a previous episode, we lost my tire. Don't know how it happened. It seemed like the bolts were compromised. Seemed like they were going bad for quite a while before I even got it. So what I went ahead and did, instead of just getting new studs and pushing them in, or a new hub, I went ahead and got a whole new brake assembly. I got new brake pads, new drums, all that stuff. So it just came in. Let's open it up and see what we got. You could stay, you could come closer. We got ourselves some bearings, some extra lugs since we lost the ones we've lost earlier. Hubcap there.
That looks shiny, but not inside.
And we got a whole new brake assembly here. Everything looks brand new. I'm gonna check it out, make sure everything works. I did went ahead and make sure that I did get the left-hand side, the driver's side. So when you do order these, make sure you do get the right size, because the way that when this magnetizes and the arm reaches out, it has to reach out in the correct direction or it's not gonna work, or you're gonna have issues. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna show you step by step on replacing the brake system, the hub, all that stuff, based off what we have so far. All right, the only thing that we're missing from a normal change is basically the tire and studs. That's it. So pretend we took that out already, and we're basically gonna do a new install from there. So this is what we got. We got a inner and an outer bearing. We got a back cap here. Let's go ahead and grease this up and get those bearings in there. Changing a hub on a trailer is fairly easy. Just the proper tools, anyone could do it. Save yourself hundreds of dollars depending on where you go. Hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you put your alert buttons on so you could get future videos. So that's it for this episode. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and click like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. All right, and then if you can, post this video on